Hey friends, today we're going to draw a snowball.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. We're going to use our markers, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to use our blue marker first. We're using a light blue. And if you have the same set, we're using 66, but you can use a different brand too. You don't have to use the same.
Yeah.
All right, let's first draw the letter U, but we're also trying to draw a circle. So it's a little bit different than a letter U. Oh, it's a big snowball too. See how the top, I'm curving it in instead of straight for letter U. There you go. Yeah, yours is even bigger. Love it. Yes, awesome. And this part up here is going to be the hat. And you're going to have a small hat, which I love even more. Now we're going to add a shadow down here at the bottom. I'm going to start here, but I'm going to draw kind of a crescent shape, like a moon. And then I'm going to color this in, and this is a little shadow at the bottom of our snowball. Good job. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Now let's add little legs for our snowball. We're going to draw 2 letter U's. Oh, squeaky marker.
Yeah. Squeak.
Squeak. And then I'm also adding a little curve on the top, and then I'm going to color in above it. This is a shadow on our snowball's legs. Yes.
Looks like pants.
It does look like pants or shorts. And we could draw the arms sticking out to the side on the left and also on the right. And we could also add a little shadow, like a crescent, like we did for the bottom of the body, and color that in too. This is really cool. I like that we added shadows to our snowball with our blue marker. That makes it look more 3D. Let's also add the top line right here to connect. This is for the bottom of the hat. And then we're done with our blue marker. Let's put that off to the side. Now we're switching to our black marker. And the reason why we did this is sometimes when you use a light marker over the black marker, it will smear it. So on some of our lessons, if you want to, you could use the lighter markers first. Yeah, there you go. This is our little smile. And then we're going to add eyes. I'm going to add a circle here and a circle over here. Same size.
I add a little tongue.
Okay. You can. Our friends could change their drawings too, just like you. You could add different things to your snowball. You could change.
My eyes are so big.
Yeah, you could make the eyes bigger. You could add eyelashes. Yeah. You could draw the mouth open. Next, we're switching to the fine tip side of our marker, and let's draw the outside border or the outside line of our snowball. And we could just trace around what we've already drawn. There you go. Concentrating, I like it. And then you can go around the arm, and then I'm gonna, for the bottom part, I'm gonna just go all the way through the body like this. Yeah, you're doing it. There you go, you did it. You drew all the way around your snowball. I'm gonna finish mine. I'm gonna just trace over this. We'll go around the arm too. And I also went a little bit past and into the armpit. I like that you went around the legs, but I drew through the legs. And then we're gonna draw them down here. And then also connect the top. Now we're ready to draw the hat. We're gonna draw a stocking hat. So we'll start here a little bit lower on our little guy. And we'll draw the side of the hat coming up. Yours is my favorite. It's always my favorite. Then we're gonna connect the top. We'll get a little wobbly.
Oh.
And then we're gonna draw the top of our little stocking hat. And then we can add a pom-pom on top.
Pom-pom for extra coziness.
Yeah, extra coziness. I like yours. It looks like it's going to be a little Christmas tree on top. There you go. Oh, I like how I like how big your pom-pom is. It's awesome. We still have one last thing to do.
Color the hat.
Yes, this part will speed up, but you guys can pause the video and color your hat any way you want. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our snowballs, and this is now my new favorite lesson, especially yours.
I like yours too.
We added the cute little pink cheeks, and you also added eyelashes, and I love the pink hat.
Our friends can even add a background.
Yeah, you could draw snow in the background, or maybe more snowball friends.
Oh yeah, and maybe some baby ones or a dog one.
A dog one, that would be awesome.
We hope you have fun drawing a snowball.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Parents, did you know we have a membership at artforkidshub.tv? It's ad-free, distraction-free, and includes exclusive lessons, printables, and even offline viewing through our app. It's a fun and safe way to keep creating together as a family. Visit artforkidshub.tv to learn more and sign up today.